How to create a poll in Facebook Messenger. If you ever want to gather opinions from multiple people, you can easily create a poll in Facebook Messenger. Here's how to do it. First, open Facebook Messenger, either through the app or by visiting messenger.com. Next, open a group chat of your choice. Keep in mind that polls can only be created in group chats with at least 2 other members besides yourself. You won't be able to make a poll in a private one-on-one conversation. Once you're in the group chat, tap the plus icon, then select poll. Now, you can type in your poll question. For example, let's enter favorite ice cream, then add answer options like vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry. Oops, typo there. After entering your options, tap Create Poll. Now that the poll is live, everyone in the group can vote on their preferred option. For instance, I'll vote for chocolate and tap Submit. If needed, anyone can add more options to the poll. Over time, as more people participate, you'll be able to see all the responses. If you want to check the results, just tap on the poll to see who voted for what. The creator of the poll also has the ability to add new options if necessary. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. It really supports me.